How to add link searches in TikTok comments. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add a link search in your TikTok comments. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you guys can see on my screen right now that I currently have a video right here on my For You page. Now, if I click the comment section, the very first comment at the top says, "You look like Topanga," or something like that, right? Basically, in order to get a link search comment just like that, you have to pretty much make a comment that pretty much questions something. Now, this can also be something that is frequently searched up. So just go ahead and make your comment somewhat similar to that. So let's just say that, we'll just say, "Do you like Topanga," or whatever that means, right? Something like that, right? You're going to want to put a question mark, and essentially it's going to highlight your comment because it is something that someone would search for, right? So just try to make your comment similar. Now, the chances of you getting this is kind of 50-50. So just try to play with it a little bit until you get the blue search comment. And essentially that's how it's done, guys. But like I said at the beginning, make sure that your comment is actually something that someone would search up. So you can see that it's a name, it's frequently searched. That's probably why they highlighted it. So make it somewhat similar, guys, but hopefully you found that tutorial helpful. Hopefully I was clear about how you can go ahead and do that. But with that being said, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.